Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add a menu to the header on Wix step by step. I'll be working in the Wix editor on the web. Start by opening the Wix editor, go to your Wix account dashboard, and click the Edit Site button next to your site. The editor will load, and you'll see your website with all the editing tools in the left sidebar. On the left side of the editor, click Add Elements. It's the button with the plus icon. A panel opens showing all the different element categories you can add to your site. In that panel, find and click on Menu and Anchor. A submenu appears with different menu types available. You'll see categories like horizontal menus, vertical menus, hamburger menus, themed menus, and in-page menus. For a header menu, you'll want a horizontal menu, so click on Horizontal Menus. Preview thumbnails of different horizontal menu designs appear, browse through them, and pick one you like. Once you've found a design, click and drag that menu thumbnail from the panel straight to the top of your page where the header is. The menu element will appear, and you'll feel it snap into position when it's correctly attached to the header section. Once it's in the header, the menu will automatically appear on every page of your site, not just the page you're currently editing. To customize what shows up in the menu, click on the menu element you just added, then click the Manage Menu button that appears in the Settings panel. A panel opens showing your site pages and menu item options. By default, the menu displays all your site pages, but from here you can add custom links, reorder items, hide pages you don't want shown, or even add drop-down sections. Once your menu is in the header, it's live across all pages automatically. You can customize the menu's appearance anytime, just click it and use the Design panel to change colors, fonts, and spacing. The menu items sync with your site pages, so if you add a new page later, it'll appear in the menu automatically unless you've hidden it. When you're ready to make everything live, click Publish in the top right corner of the editor, and there we go, menu added to your header. Thanks for watching. See you next time.